2026 BMW iX is more than just another luxury SUV. It's a statement of how far electric mobility has come. As soon as you lay eyes on it, the iX commands attention with its futuristic design language, blending elegance with aggression. The front end is dominated by BMW's signature kidney grille, now reimagined for the electric age. It's not a traditional grille at all. It's a high-tech panel housing advanced sensors, cameras, and radar units that feed into the iX's semi-autonomous driving systems. The laser-thin headlights, crisp LED detailing, and sleek aerodynamic lines give the SUV a clean, modern presence that looks equally at home in a city or on a mountain road. Step to the side, and you notice the proportions: tall, wide, yet incredibly streamlined. The flush door handles pop out elegantly as you approach, and the frameless doors add a coupe-like sophistication to this large SUV. Around the back, the design stays minimalistic, with razor-thin tail lights stretching across a sculpted rear. Even the BMW logo doubles as a washer cap for the rear camera, tiny touches that showcase the brand's obsession with smart design. The optional 22-inch aerodynamic wheels complete the look, balancing efficiency with sportiness. Inside, the 2026 iX feels like stepping into the future of luxury. It's less of a cockpit and more of a modern lounge, wrapped in premium materials and minimalist design. BMW's designers have used recycled materials and sustainable wood trims without compromising on sophistication. The panoramic glass roof adds a sense of openness, while the hexagonal steering wheel and curved display setup emphasize the futuristic nature of the vehicle. The main display stretches seamlessly across the dashboard, combining a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 14.9-inch infotainment touchscreen running BMW's latest iDrive 9 system. It supports over-the-air updates, natural voice commands, and full 5G connectivity, ensuring the iX stays ahead of the tech curve. Comfort is second to none. The seats are deeply contoured and offer massage, ventilation, and heating functions. Rear passengers enjoy generous legroom, thanks to the flat floor design that electric platforms allow. The Harman Kardon or optional Bowers & Wilkins diamond surround sound system fills the cabin with an immersive 3D audio experience. And when you close the doors, the cabin goes whisper quiet, isolating you completely from the outside world, a hallmark of electric luxury done right. Under the skin, the 2026 BMW iX continues to impress. The xDrive 50 and M60 variants remain the stars of the lineup. The xDrive 50 uses a dual-motor setup producing around 516 horsepower, while the high-performance M60 pushes that to a staggering 610 horsepower and up to 100 Nm of torque. With instant electric response, the M60 can launch from 0 to 100 km/h in just about 3.8 seconds, numbers that rival many sports cars. Despite its power, the iX remains incredibly composed, thanks to adaptive air suspension, active steering, and precise weight distribution. The low center of gravity, achieved by mounting the battery pack low in the chassis, gives it superb stability, whether cruising on highways or tackling twisty roads. Range anxiety? Not an issue here. The iX delivers impressive range figures, up to around 600 kilometers on a single charge depending on the configuration and driving style. And when it's time to recharge, the SUV supports DC fast, charging up to 200 kWh, meaning you can gain roughly 150 kilometers of range in just 10 minutes. BMW's connected charging system helps locate nearby chargers, estimate costs, and even precondition the battery for optimal efficiency before you arrive at a charging station. In terms of safety and tech, BMW has pulled out all the stops. The iX features an advanced driver assistance suite that includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, automated lane changes, and a self-parking function that can even record and replicate complex maneuvers. The body structure uses a blend of carbon fiber reinforced plastic and aluminum, giving it both lightness and incredible rigidity. That translates into not only a safer ride but also more precise handling. The iX also introduces something BMW calls shy tech, technology that's present but never overwhelming. Touch-sensitive controls hidden under wood-grain surfaces, speaker grills seamlessly blended into the headrests, and smart surfaces that react to your gestures. All of it makes the cabin feel alive without cluttering it with buttons. Voice and gesture control take most of the workload off your hands, keeping the experience intuitive and natural. Driving the iX feels like gliding through the future. It's powerful yet silent, luxurious yet efficient. Futuristic, yet unmistakably BMW. The regenerative braking can be tuned to suit your driving style, from one-pedal driving in the city to coasting smoothly on highways. The all-wheel drive system reacts instantly, distributing power precisely where it's needed, providing both confidence and thrill in every condition. What makes the 2026 BMW iX stand out isn't just its performance or looks, it's the sense of balance it achieves between innovation, comfort, and sustainability. It's proof that the electric future doesn't mean compromise, it means evolution. BMW has crafted a vehicle that feels equally suited for a tech-savvy executive, a family of explorers, or anyone who simply wants to experience what the next generation of mobility feels like. At its heart, the iX is more than just transportation. It's an experience that redefines what a luxury SUV can be in an all-electric world. With every drive, it quietly reminds you that the future of performance isn't loud, it's electrifying.